Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this morning I found out that I have tickets to Splash House. So I'm currently going to shower and get ready. I'm not naked, so I kind of picked out an outfit, so hopefully it works out. And then I'm going to head over to pick up my friend, and then we're going to Palm Springs for the evening. So our passes are good for Friday through Sunday, but I already have plans for Saturday. So we're going to go tonight to the Air Museum. They have like an after hours event to kick off the weekend, and then on Sunday we're going to head back out there for the day parties. So stay tuned for that, and I'll try to get as much content as I can for you guys. So here's what I ended up doing with the fit. We just got some comfy tennis shoes, a skirt. Actually, I'm wearing a bathing suit top under this because my friend said it's going to be really hot, so I just want it to be, you know, comfy. Put my little hair in a ponytail braid and added some little gems to my face, you know, to make it festive. So now I'm going to head to Pomona to pick up my friend that I'm going with, and then we're off to Palm Springs. So I just met up with my friend Jess, so we're at her house. I'm actually gonna eat really quick before we head out, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're on the road. I just checked the maps and it says it's only gonna take an hour and a half to get there, so that's good. But yeah, love your little outfit. She just got her hair done too, so perfect. Okay, we'll see you in Palm Springs. All right, we made it to Palm Springs, and now we are gonna go get our tickets. We have to go pick them up at the convention center. It's 100 degrees right now, so I felt kind of silly in this outfit now, but it's 100 degrees, so it makes sense. So I wanted to just come see the little merch. There's a whole plant there, but they're kind of cute. I kind of like that blue jacket, but do I really need a jacket? It's literally 100. So, okay, maybe the little umbrella. Those are cute. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta head to the hotel so we can get ready and go. So we got to our little hotel, and we're trying to figure out how to get in because there's just like this big door. I don't know if there's another entrance or what is going on, so wish us luck. Okay, we made it into our little hotel. It's more like an Airbnb, to be honest. Let me show you guys. So there's just like a whole bunch of like little properties, and here is the room. So there's just like one big bed. The AC was off when we got here, so we're just trying to cool down right now. But there's just like this little spot. I think this is so cute though. There's an outdoor patio that we have access to, and it's private, so you can just come out here and hang out. Those look like they haven't seen the light of day. I mean, they probably have, but they probably have not been washed, is the problem. So yeah, here's where we'll be for tonight. So that was Splash House Part 1. We are back at the hotel. Their pool is open 24/7, so I think we might go in the pool really quick. I was wearing my bathing suit under my clothes already, so I'm ready to go. All right, so we're hanging out in the pool for a little bit. Jess just got her bathing suit on so that she could get in. The pool is actually really warm. I don't know if it's heated or if it's just like this hot out here, but it feels so good. Super excited to be in a pool. And yeah, I guess I'll try to film again when we come back on Sunday. But yeah, hope you guys are having a great weekend. All right, so that's it. It is 8:13 and it's 94 degrees outside. We're heading back home. Maybe we'll see you back Sunday.